Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Trade Tech Analysis, and here I am with another exciting video on FVG based buy sell indicator. So, like my other indicator, it is also a unique one. Obviously, it is a free indicator that I have published it for you guys. So, before going to the features, how FVG works and how it is generating the buy sell signals, let me just tell you that if I get, let's say, 500 likes or comments, then what I'm targeting is I will make three of my best paid indicators free. So I'll convert those indicators to a free script, or if it is not possible by TradingView, then I will get you the access when requested. So these are obviously based on like if you compare the free and the paid definitely has a uniqueness. Basis on that, these were uh, the paid ones. So this is my target because the reason is I'm targeting my 1,000 subscribers, and if I get to that target, then not three actually, I'll make five free of cost if we go to that target. So please like and subscribe to the channel and let's start. So this is the FVG buy sell indicator that I have published already, and let me show you. So under scripts, this is my FVG buy sell indicator. Okay. So this is the name of the indicator. You can find it with the name, and you can explore all other indicators as well on my website, which is tradetechanalysis.com, which is in the signature of my TradingView profile, and also I will put the link in the description as well. So FVG is basically the fair value gap between the candle closings. Okay, so this particular, you say this, this is the high of this candle. We got a strong Marbozu candle here, and then the low was here. So this actually created a gap here. Okay, so that's how FVGs are created, and similarly here from the low and from here. So this was actually a FVG bullish gap created. So that's how what I've done in the code, I am detecting bullish and bearish FVGs. This is one thing. Second is, you see these trend line support lines. These are basically trend line based support and resistance lines. So when you see this line appeared, price is most likely going to reverse from here. And when FVG retested, it gave a sell signal here. You can see this is live, right? And the previous one, when it retested this, like when it got the closing above this FVG and this, we got a buy signal on the candle, and you can see that it retested, kind of retested the upper zone of this FVG gap, and then it went up. So the green one most likely represents the sell signals, and the red one represents for most likely the buy signals, but it doesn't mean that it only generates single side. So when it happens, it can generate the sell side signal as well and the buy sell signal as well. Either side, when the price closes, either upper side or the bottom side, then it will get you the signals. Okay, so and you can see that I have extended it to the 50 candles, and you can see it was acting as a support line. Okay, so the settings of this indicator, when you change it, so by default you need to save these settings. So let's say if I change swing detection length, let's say if I put it 20, it's gonna take a while because it calculates everything and then it will show on the chart. Okay, it reduces the signals. Okay, so that's how it will show you on the chart. You can play it around. I have made it configurable. These are not available by default. Basis on that, signal will also change. And this is the FVG zone extension forward. So let's say if I do 10, what happens? So this area basically will be extended or collapsed based on this value. So if you want these to be extended further, you can change the value, let's say to 20, and this will be extended further as well. It takes a while, so please bear with it. Okay, and that's how you can change it. This is the opacity. You can change of the opacity, basically the darkness and the lightness of the color. Okay, and this is the extend forward lines that I have set 50. This is basically for these lines. Okay, these are the settings, and I have put signal cooldown period as well. When it generates a signal, it will check last by default 5 candles, but I have set this as a 0 as well. So if you change it to, let's say, 2, it will check last 2 candles for generating a signal. And if it is applicable, then it will make see, it reduce one of the signal. So that is totally customizable. You can change the colors if you want, and the shapes as well. Okay, so that's about the indicator, and let's take an example. So here price was closing again and again on the above the FVG gap, and we were getting buy signal. But later price came down, created FVG and retested it, and then it gave a like it closed below, but there was no sell signal. But this was actually also one of the entry. So if it's not generating the signal, and if you know the FVG concepts clearly, FVGs can help you take the trade as well. So that's one of the example. Here FVG was created, FVG, and then this was the retest. So that was the retest, and this could be the sell. If the freshers, or I would say the people who are new to the trading, they can rely on the signals, but who are experienced enough, know the concepts pretty well, they can consider the FVG gaps as well. So that's more about the indicator. We can let's try to back test it. Okay, let me put the settings back to the original that I have. Oops. So you can clearly see there was a buy signal here, there was a buy signal here. It retested this FVG actually. See, so that's how these can help you. So this is in BTC, and let's check it in Indian market. It will take a while, so you need to be patient, and it creates these levels as well, right? So you can take the trade based on these ones as well. So you can check the signals on the different time frames. Let's check this in the Nifty. And you can clearly see it's performing pretty well. Okay, there was a buy signal here, there are multiple buy signals here in fact. And maybe let's try in Dow Jones. I haven't seen it in Dow Jones, but let's try. See here as well, it is performing well. So these will definitely act as resistance and support. So you need to consider these trend based lines as well. So with this, thank you so much guys, and please like my channel, like my videos, subscribe to the channel, and help me get the target achieved. So like I committed, if I when I complete my 1,000 subscribers, definitely I'm gonna get you 5 paid indicators free. And it's not a joke. You can check my website. There are already 7 paid indicators. I'm gonna put 5 indicators out of them free. Okay. So like I committed, I will definitely do it, and let's target the likes and comments as well. So with this, thank you so much guys, and have a great day. Take care.